Hello and welcome to this video. I will explain the example how to find the mode for the raw data provided for us. So in this spreadsheet, I have all of my raw data in this section entered, and then I created this table with single categories, meaning if I see Massachusetts, I'm gonna write Massachusetts and etc. Now let's count the frequencies of each one of these states. So to do that, we're going to click equals and then use the function count if, open parentheses, and then we're going to determine our range to highlight the entire range and then click F4. And we want the category to be the first one and then click enter. I'm just going to drag the square down to calculate and populate the rest of the table. And as you can see, the biggest number here is 8, which corresponds to New York. There is another method which is very complicated to find a mode from categorical data like this one. I'll try to make a video about it, but I think it's very complicated. I would rather go with the frequency tables. So that's it for the mode, and I will see you in class.